Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. Last night, which was Monday evening Eastern Standard Time, we saw the Japanese yen experience a little bit of volatility, and this came on the heels of a Bank of Japan announcement which really rattled the market a little bit and introduced some volatility in the market, which was actually a good thing. Now, what I was looking at in my trading, I was actually looking to buy, and actually did buy several contracts last night and took advantage of a quick little pop-up in this market. But from a longer term perspective, looking at 240-minute charts here, we can see that the Japanese yen came down into moderately undervalued, and then the market rejected that and it started to trend higher. Now, as soon as it started to trend higher, I started to look for what I call momentum inflection points, but I had an outlook really formed from the value bars here and the MQ momentum indicator combined with each other. And what I was looking for specifically was the fact that the value bars had the yen trading down and moderately undervalued here right around the 111 level. You can see the lower yellow bar segment here. And then if you go down to the MQ momentum indicator, we can see that we had this higher dip here. And typically what happens is if you have a lessening of the downside momentum, and certainly in this case we had a substantial lessening, then that oftentimes serves as a springboard to higher prices. So looking at that just on the 240-minute chart, I thought that at least we would forecast a little bit higher here near term. Now, if I also introduce an indicator we call the MQ market strength indicator, I'm going to go ahead and put that up here as well. We can see that at least early on, I could see that the yen with any type of a rally, now we've seen basically bear market activity here, but if we go back in time a little bit, and we have to go back a little ways here to see what some rallies can potentially come to. And we see right here that it's not unusual here for a number of these blue peaks here, and we're looking at the blue line specifically, which is showing the buying power from peak to valley levels, which is around 140, so 140 pips, if you will. Now, we've gone a little bit above that tonight, or as it turns out, but at the time when I was looking to buy, it was well below that. So maybe it was around 35 pips or so. So I forecasted that we could at least go well above 100 pips if this thing was just a normal bounce to the upside or normal buying pressure coming in the markets. Now, quickly drilling down here to maybe a 15-minute chart, you can see exactly what went on here. The announcement came out, the market started to react. I started to buy and look at much shorter term charts right around this level in here. So springing out of undervalued, I held on and I started taking profits right around this level in here. As soon as the market really started to spring higher, I was in and out and was able to take some profits, but my outlook was really formed from the 240-minute perspective, and I was looking at value targets on a shorter term perspective. As soon as we got up into moderately overvalued or significantly overvalued on even shorter term charts, I was looking to dump my long trade. Now, that's just one idea on trading on the heels of different kinds of fundamental news announcements, which oftentimes can introduce volatility into markets and represent excellent trading opportunities. So I would encourage you as traders to keep an eye out for those and trade those. Look for good trading opportunities. I had very tight stops on with my trades. I was stopped out once with a very small loss, and then I never was stopped out again. So it worked out really well. Have a great day. Good luck trading, and we'll wrap up this video with that. Thanks for watching.